In a May 2026 interview, Michael Selig, chair of the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, made a firm statement. The U.S. government cannot and should not seize citizens' cryptocurrencies. This declaration marks a significant shift in regulatory tone and signals a growing emphasis on protecting digital asset ownership rights. Selig's remarks were part of a broader discussion on the evolving legal framework for crypto in the United States. He emphasized that new regulations are being crafted to provide clarity and protection for both users and developers in the crypto space. At the heart of this regulatory push is the Genius Act, which has already been passed and targets stablecoins. Meanwhile, the Clarity Act is still working its way through Congress and aims to establish a more comprehensive regulatory structure for the wider crypto market. Selig pointed out that these legislative moves are designed to prevent a repeat of past initiatives like Operation Choke Point 3, which had previously marginalized crypto-focused businesses from the traditional banking system. Since 2017, the CFTC has been. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Regulating Bitcoin futures trading, and under Selig's guidance, the agency classifies Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and Zcash as digital commodities. Other assets, such as stablecoins, NFTs, and digital securities, fall under different categories. Selig made it clear that a complete crypto ban is not on the horizon in the U.S. He attributed this stance to the development of a clear and enforceable regulatory framework, which he believes is the strongest safeguard against hostile government policies in the future. This statement is more than just a reassurance, it's a structural development that could influence how crypto is treated in legal and financial systems moving forward. The CFTC's evolving classification of digital assets is also notable. By distinguishing between digital commodities, stablecoins, NFTs, and other instruments, the agency is laying the groundwork for a nuanced regulatory approach. This classification could impact how different types of crypto assets are treated under the law and how they interact with traditional financial systems. Selig's remarks are particularly significant given the CFTC's role in overseeing derivatives markets and commodity futures. The agency's stance on Bitcoin and other digital commodities suggests a growing acceptance of crypto as a legitimate asset class rather than a speculative or risky product. However, the broader implications of these developments are still unfolding. The Genius Act has already passed, but the Clarity Act is still in the works. How this act will shape the wider market structure remains to be seen. What is clear is that the U.S. government is moving toward a more structured and transparent approach to crypto regulation. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Critical development for investors, developers, and users who have long sought legal clarity and protection in the crypto space. The next signal to watch is the progress of the Clarity Act through Congress. If passed in a form that aligns with the CFTC's current framework, it could solidify the legal status of various crypto assets and provide a stable regulatory environment. Until then, the market will remain attentive to how these policies evolve and what they mean for the future of digital assets in the United States.